Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to online classes. In this session, we discuss one more equation of plane. That plane is equation of a plane passes through intersection of another two planes. Means here they given two planes. We have to calculate the intersection of these two planes. This is the first plane they given, this green color. Call that plane as A1x plus B1y plus C1z equals D1. This is the first plane. Okay. Next consider second plane. The second plane is this one, that is red or pink color. This plane is A2x plus B2y plus C2z equals D2, either small or capital D. No problem. This is second plane and this is first plane. These two planes are intersecting at a line. There exists one more plane. This is orange color. This is the existing plane that we have to calculate. This is the required plane we have to calculate. That equation is of the formula. So A1x plus first plane, B1y plus C1z, D1 shift minus D1 bracket plus lambda into A2x plus B2y plus C2z plus D2 equals D2, shift minus D2 equals 0. This is the equation of a plane passes through intersection of two planes. The given planes are first one A1x plus B1y plus C1z minus D1, and the second plane is A2x plus B2y plus C2z minus D2. And this entire equation is the equation of a third plane. This is in Cartesian form. If we take in vector form, the equation of plane in vector forms are r dot n1 equals d1 first plane, r dot n2 equals d2 second plane in vector form. Then what is the equation of required plane? Intersection of these two planes, that is r dot first vector n1 plus lambda n2 equals d1 plus lambda d2. This is the equation of a plane passes through intersection of two planes. So r dot n1 equals d1 first plane, r dot n2 equals d2 second plane. This is the equation of a plane. Idu first plane. Okay, this is second plane. ಇವೆರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನೇ ಇದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ r dot n1 plus lambda n2 equals d1 plus lambda d2. Next problem. Find the equation of a plane passes through intersection of two planes 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equals 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equals 0 and 1 1 1. Means here they given two planes. ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನು ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು? ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ we have a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 plus a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equals 0. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ d1 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ d1 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, now substitute. This is the first plane, 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4. First plane plus, this is here lambda is there, plus lambda into second plane x plus y plus z minus 2 equals 0. Substitute the planes. This is the first plane they given plus lambda into second plane. Now simplify. So pass this point. Pass 1 1 1 means x equals 1, y equals 1, z equals 1. Substitute. Yes, 3 into 1 3 minus 1, z is also 1, minus 2 minus 4. Put a bracket plus lambda into. Substitute. X means 1, y means 1, z means 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2 equals 0. Simplify. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remaining minus 4 plus lambda into. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1 equals 0. So minus plus lambda equals minus 4 shifter plus 4. So we got the value of lambda. Lambda equals 4. Now substitute this value of lambda in the required plane. Call this plane as 1. Substitute it 1. So equation 1 implies, so 1 implies substitute 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus lambda. Lambda means substitute 4 into x plus y plus z minus 2 equals 0. Simplify. 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 plus 4x plus 4y plus 4z minus 8 equals 0. Multiply every equation by 4, every term by 4. Now simplify. 3x plus 4x, 7x, minus y plus 4y plus 3y, 2z plus 4z plus 6z minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 equals 0. This is the required equation of a plane. So this is the required equation of plane. Next, second problem. Find the equation of a plane passes through intersection of 3x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equals 0 and x plus y plus z minus 2 equals 0 and the point 2 2 1. Same as previous problem. Here they given two planes. So the equation of required plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equals 0. Substitute the first plane plus lambda into substitute second plane equals 0. Pass. The point is 2 2 1. Pass ಮಾಡಿ calculate lambda. Lambda value minus 2 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Do yourself. Then substitute this lambda in equation 1. We get the equation of a plane. A plane ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 7x minus 5y plus 4z equals 8 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So this is the equation of a plane. Substitute the plane and pass us to the point. Find out the lambda. Lambda equals minus 2 by 3. Substitute this lambda in equation 1. We get the equation of a plane. The solution is 7x minus 5y plus 4z equals 8. Do yourself. ನೀವೇ work ಮಾಡಿ. Next question. The question is, find the equation of a plane passes through intersection of planes r dot 2i plus 3j minus 3k equals 7, r dot 2i plus 5j plus 3k equals 9 and the point 1, 2, 3. Here they given two planes. This is the first plane and this is second plane. Here they given in vector form. Better convert this vector form of a plane to Cartesian form. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಈಸಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾರ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಎಸ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ r dot 2i plus 3j minus 3k plus 7 means r means position vector of any point, that is xi plus yj plus zk. What happens? 2x, first plane 2x plus 3y minus 3z, shift minus 7. Yes, this is the equation of a plane in Cartesian form. So simple. Then convert the second plane into Cartesian form. Yes, 2x plus 5y plus 3z, shift minus 9 equals 0. So convert the vector form to Cartesian form because Cartesian form of plane is easy compared to vector form. Now we have formula, equation of plane. Substitute the planes. First plane here 2x plus 3y minus 3z minus 7 plus lambda into second plane 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equals 0. Now passes through the point. Pass. The point is 1, 2, 3. Means in place of x, substitute x equals 1, y equals 2 and z equals 3. Substitute 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 3 3s are 9 minus 7 plus lambda into. Substitute the point. 2 1s are 2 plus y means 2. 2 5s are 10 plus z means 3. 3 3s are 9, remaining minus 9 equals 0. Simplify. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 9 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 plus lambda into 9 9 cancel. 2 plus 10, 12 equals 0. Simplify. 12 into lambda, 12 lambda, 12 lambda, shift minus 8 become plus 8. Divide agutte. Yes, divided by 4. 4 2s are 4 3s are. Lambda equals 2 by 3. We got the value of lambda. Okay. Now substitute this lambda in the required plane. Call this plane as 1. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ equation 1 ಗೆ. Yes, 1 implies. What happens? First plane 2x plus 3y minus 3z minus 7 plus 2 by 3 into second plane 2x plus 5y plus 3z minus 9 equals 0. Okay. Now LCM multiply by 3 because divided by 3 there. So cross multiply. multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y minus 3 3s are 9z minus 7 3s are 21 plus. Now multiply second term by 2. Multiplication, yes, multiply every term by 2. 2 2s are 4x, 2 plus 5, 2 5s are 10y plus 2 3s are 15. Sorry. Now multiply every term, every second. Now multiply every second term by 2. 2 2s are 4x, 2 5s are 10y, 2 3s are 6z minus 2 9s are minus 18 equals 0. Now simplify. First x ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ y, ಆಮೇಲೆ z, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ x 6x plus 4x, that is 10x. Next y 9y plus 10y, that is 19y minus 9z plus 6z minus 3z minus 21 minus 18. Add, so 1 8, that is minus 9, 2 plus 1 3, minus 39 equals 0. So this is the required equation of a plane. Once again, here they given two equations of a plane in vector form. Easy ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಹೇಗೆ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಜೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಝಡ್ಗೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3z ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ 2x ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y ಮೈನಸ್ 3z ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ minus 7 equals 0. Second plane 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals 9. Shift minus 9 equals 0. Now we have to calculate equation of a plane passes through intersection of two planes. The formula is this one. Substitute the first plane. This is the first plane plus lambda into second plane equals 0. Yes. Now passes the given point. Pass ಮಾಡಿ 1 2 3 ಅಂದರೆ x equals 1, y equals 2, z equals 3. Substitute. So x ರ ಕಡೆ 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 1s are 2. So 2 3s are 6. 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 7 plus lambda into. In place of x1, in place of y2, in place of z3. What happens? In place of x, substitute x equals 1, y equals 2, z equals 3. What happens? 2 1s are 2, y andre 2, 5 2s are 10, z means 3, 3 3s are 9, remain minus 9 equals 0. Simplify. 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 9 minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 plus lambda. 9 minus 9 get cancelled. 10 plus 2 12 equals 0. So lambda into 12, 12 lambda minus 8 shift plus 8 divide. 4 2s are 4 3s are lambda equals 2 by 3. Substitute this lambda in equation 1, that is the intersecting plane. Substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So multiply, that is lambda equals 2 by 3 remaining same. Now multiply by 3 or LCM. 3 ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now simplify, we get the equation of a third plane. Yes, write down. Yes, next question. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through the intersection of planes r dot I plus j plus k equals 6 and r dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k equals minus 5 and the point 1 1 1. So here we have to calculate, specifically mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ calculate vector equation. ನಾವೀಗ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಸರ್? ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದೂ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೂ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಬೆಟರ್ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಈಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ they given vector equation. Vector equation means we have to calculate only vector for r. Here they given two equations of a vector planes and one point. Yes, here they mentioned only vector form. Therefore, write the vector form. We have the formula r dot n1 plus lambda n2 equals d1 plus lambda d2. This is the vector form of a equation of a plane. n1 you can write in small letter or big letter. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ n1 here? This is n1 I plus j plus k, that is n1. So r dot substitute n1 means I plus j plus k plus lambda into n2, this is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, 2i plus 3j plus 4k equals d1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ d1 ಯಾವುದು? This is the standard form r dot n1 equals d. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ r dot n1 equals d. This is n1, this is d, means here d1 is 6, d2 is minus 5. So d1 6 plus lambda into d2 minus 5. Okay, now multiply r dot as it is, put a big bracket, r dot for this, put a big bracket, r dot. Now I plus j plus k plus multiply by lambda, 2 lambda I plus 3 lambda j plus multiply by lambda 4 lambda k equals 6 minus 5 lambda, plus into minus 5 lambda. Now simplify r dot as it is, I plus 2 lambda I, add these two. We can't add because lambda value gottilla, therefore take I common. Yes, I common, remaining 1 plus 2 lambda I. Similarly j common, so remaining 1 plus 3 lambda j common, plus here from these two k common, remaining 1 plus 4 lambda into k equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Now what is r? R is a position vector of any point. Okay, I will write here. R means position vector of any point, means xi plus yj plus zk. Pass this point, pass 1 1 1, pass the given point. X means 1, y means 1, z means 1. What happens? R equals I plus y means 1 plus j, z means 1, 1 into k, k. It is R equals I plus j plus k. Substitute here. So R means I plus j plus k dot bracket. Same 1 plus 2 lambda into I, same right as it is, 1 plus 3 lambda into j plus 1 plus 4 lambda into k equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Length ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ಮೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ಡಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಐ ಡಾಟ್ ಐ 1, ಜೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಜೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಕೆ 1. ಎಸ್, ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 1, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ, ಕೆ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್, ಕೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಓಕೆ, Now lambda, 2 lambda plus 3 lambda, 5 lambda plus 4 lambda, 9 lambda plus number 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 equals there 6 minus 5 lambda. Lambda ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, ಎಸ್ minus 5 lambda shift 9 lambda plus 5 lambda 14 lambda 6 plus 3 become minus 3 6 minus 3 3. Calculate lambda. Lambda equals 3 by 14. We calculate the value of lambda. The lambda is 3 by 14. Clear? Now we have to substitute this lambda in equation 1. Once again, yes, they given two planes and one point that is passes. Write the equation of a plane r dot n1 plus lambda n2 equals d1 plus lambda d2. This is the equation of a plane, required equation of a plane. The given plane is of the form r dot n equals d. So what is n here? I plus j plus k. What is d? 6. First plane ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು n1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು d1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Similarly ಇದು n2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, this is d2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Substitute. So n1 means I plus j plus k plus lambda into n2 2i plus 3j plus 4k equals d1 distance, first distance 6 plus lambda d2 is minus 5. Simplify. What happens? R dot I plus j plus k आगे. Now multiply 2 lambda I plus 3 lambda j plus 4 lambda k equals 6 plus into minus 5 lambda. So multiply second term by lambda. Illi R dot bracket ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, big bracket. Okay, R dot as it is. Now I add ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, so take common. So I common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ remaining 1 plus 2 lambda I plus j common 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ j quotient 1 plus 3 lambda j plus k quotient 1 plus 4 lambda into k equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Call this equation as 1. Now R means what? Usually position vector of any point xi plus yj plus zk, they given one point, that is passing point 1 1 1 pass ಮಾಡಿ. X means 1 into I, y means 1 into j plus z means 1 into k, that is R equals I plus j plus k. Substitute R here. So R means I plus j plus k dot 1 plus 2 lambda I, same as it is bracket dot ಹಾಕಬೇಕು equals 6 minus 5 lambda, same. Now dot product I dot I 1, so 1 into 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 2 lambda, j dot j 1 into 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda, k dot k 1 remaining 1 plus 4 lambda equals 6 minus 5 lambda. Calculate lambda. First lambda add ಮಾಡಿ, 2 lambda plus 3 lambda 5 lambda plus 4 lambda 9 lambda, 1 plus 1 3 remains same. Now lambda shift, 9 lambda minus 5 become plus 5, 9 lambda plus 5 lambda 4 lambda equals 3. Then lambda equals 3 by 14. So lambda ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now substitute the value of lambda in the equation 1. What happens? Yes, R dot as it is ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, R dot ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 plus 2 lambda means 2 lambda means 2 3s are 6 by 14, 6 by 14 high plus 1 plus, what is lambda? Lambda means 3 by 14, 3 lambda means multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9 by 14 j plus 1 plus lambda means 3 by 14, 4 lambda means multiply by 4, 4 3s are 12 by 14. So 12 by 14k equals 6 minus lambda means 3 by 14, 5 lambda means multiply by 5, 5 3s are 15 by 14. So 15 by 14. So substitute the values of lambda or dot, put a big bracket. Now r dot as it is modified. Observe here 14, 14, 14, 14. So simple multiply by 14. What happens? 14 plus 6 multiply by 14 or take LCM. 14 plus 6 20i. Okay. 14 plus 9 23 j plus 14 plus 12 26 k equals 14 into 6, 6 14s are 84 minus 15 by 14. Here is also by 14. Take LCM or multiply by 14. 14, 14 get cancelled. Remaining r dot 20i plus 23j plus 26k equals 84 minus 15. 14 minus 5, that is 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 69. This is the equation of a plane in vector form. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಈಸಿ. But in this problem they mentioned only vector equation, therefore you have to do only vector form. Yes.